When there is a tumor in the brain, it has to be removed by neurosurgeons. However, some low-grade tumors are hard to see because they look similar to the regular brain tissue. It is important to remove the tumor fully to ensure that the tumor doesn't grow back. It is also important to cut away only the tumor tissue because removing regular brain tissue could cause brain damage. Surgeons need a more accurate way to see the difference between tumor tissue and regular brain tissue while doing brain surgery. Envisioning Labs has taken on the challenge to create a surgical microscope add-on that will allow a surgeon to differentiate between tumor tissue and regular tissue. Keep watching to find out how this works. Normally, neurosurgeons use microscopes to help them remove brain tumors. However, sometimes they can't see the difference between the brain tissue and the tumor tissue. Envisioning Labs has created a technology that can sense the difference between tumor brain fibers versus regular brain fibers by sensing how light passes through the fibers. Structurally, the tumor fibers are less organized. Meanwhile, the brain fibers are organized in lines. When a light shines through organized versus disorganized fibers, it gives off a different signal. The signal information is translated into an image, which can be used as an overlay that could be turned on and off by the neurosurgeon when looking through the microscope. The differences between the tumor tissue and the regular brain tissue show up on the overlay in different colors. This allows the neurosurgeons to clearly see the tumor tissue in real time and ensure that they are cutting out the tumor safely.